Now, there are some questions here. Number 1, first bit, 18 into 7 plus of minus 3. This is equal to 18 into 7, the plus 18 into minus 3. What property are going to adapt here is there? One more question. Find the product. Using suitable property. The first question, 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. So, these two questions I am going to do here is very carefully observe it. It is all a multiplication under different properties. Now, observe this question, the left and right hand side. What property should be adapted? There are two ways we can do it. Now, write as a 7 plus of minus 3. This I can write 7 minus 3 is become 4, 4 into 18. That also nothing but it's called the associative property also we can adapt here, but it's under multiplication. Now, when this is 18, we are multiplying the right side, 7 as well as the minus 3. First, we will do that 18 into, here is the 7 plus into minus is minus 3. Only in the left hand side, we will keep right side. Now, will become 18 into 7 minus 3 is 4. And that is equal to 8, 4 8s are 32, 3 carry. 4 1s are 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So, I got in the left side 72. I have to check in the right hand side. Correct. Now, we will see that 8 7s are 72. 8 7s are 56, 5 carry, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 5, it is 12. And plus of minus 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2, 5, it is negative sign. Now that is equal to 126 minus it is 54, 6 minus 4 is 2 and 12 minus 5 is 7 plus it is 72. Now both we got it, that is the what type of property it is. Now this 18 I am multiplying with a 7, again 18 multiplying with a minus 3. So what property are you using? This distributive property. You are using distributive property. Therefore, here is LHS is equal to RHS. Now, I simplified by using the properties, distributive property. The second question will see that. Now, here is a 26 into minus 48 plus minus 48 into minus 36. Now, I want to make it use some properties, then make it as simple as possible to simplify this, how to make the product. In the right side, I can write very carefully observe in the left hand side. This is all left side. So, I am writing very carefully observe. Here is 26. There is no 26 in the second term. In the first term, there is a minus 48 and second term also we have minus 48. I will take common about minus 48. The next we can write, if I take out minus 48, what is left here is 26. Right here is 26. Next here is a plus sign is there, write the plus. Now, in the second term, we have taken out minus 48. The leftover is 36 minus 36. Please write minus 36. That means, now I made into the distributive property. I brought the simplification into the distributive property. The next is nothing but is minus 48 into, now write it, plus 26 minus 36. It becomes minus 10. And thus is equal to minus into minus is plus 48 tens are 480. This is the easiest method to multiply or to simplify by using some suitable properties. This property is known as distributive property. This property, it is very simple. By using this property, we can do the multiplication. So there is one more question, that is last question, we are going to do it here. Eight into 53 into minus 125. So what value of this is asking? How to make the product by using the simple property it is. Now it's nothing but it's called the closure property. Simply multiply left to the right side. Now here is, I can make it into grouping. Okay. Now take these 8 and write minus 125. It's a very simple thing it is. The 8 into minus 125 into 53. Now multiply with 8 this number first. 8 5s are 40. Now 4 carry. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 4, 20. 2 carry. 8 1s are 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So simple it is, make it at the 1000 into it is 50. It is a negative sign, we got it, minus 53. Plus 53 is equal to this minus 5300. This is the way of multiplying these number. Generally, we'll do 8 into 53 and multiply by minus 125. Now, make it a grouping, 125 into 8. First you do that, the next you go multiply with the 53. Its form is very simple, minus 53,000. Once, tens, 100,000, 10,000. It is 53,000. We can do the product of this number. So, this we are using associative property. So this is a very simple. So the next classes we'll get some more questions. After that, next class we are going to close this topic, the integer topic for 8th standard. Okay, there's some more questions are there. How to make it different types of the problems on these properties. So what type of property under multiplication and addition property we have to use? In this, there are 3 problems are there. This is the 5th one and this is 6th one. Now we'll do in this. Very simple. How to multiply this is 140. This is 41 into 102. How to simplify for this number? Now like minus 41. This 102 I can write it 100 plus 2 I can write. So now I can apply here is the distributive property. Now 41 into 100 minus 4,100 and plus of it is become a minus 82. So write it, both are same negative signs here. So what we can write it is a minus of 4182. Very simple multiplication. 41 into 102 is become 4,182. That similarly, and this also 7 into 52 minus 2. Now here is very simple, I can write it. It is 7 into 5, 35, 350 minus 7 2s are 14. So very simple, I can stop that. Otherwise, I can 50 minus 2 is 48 into 7 I have to multiply. If I write multiply by using the distributive property, 7 into 5, 730, that's 350 minus 7 2s are 14. Now 350 minus 14 you try, that is 10 minus 4 is 6. Here is 4, 4 minus 1 is 3 and it will become 3. So this is equal to, I can write 336. And by using the 2 different properties, what property I use here? 7 into 50 minus 7 into 2. This is nothing but distributive property. By using by distributive property, I got it 336. Now here also, now the given the product, very careful, there are two terms are given. One is 625 multiplying by minus 35 plus minus 625 into 65. Here is plus 625, but here is minus 625. Now we know that A into minus A into B is equal to A into minus B. The one and the same will get the result. Here is minus AB, here also minus AB. So I'll apply the principle. Instead of minus here, I can take it to grouping into, I'll keep a minus 65. That is 625. If I take out this minus 35 and plus of it is minus 65, I can write. Now 625 into minus 35 minus 65, it becomes minus 100. The product is becomes 62500. So the result easy for me. Otherwise, I have to multiply these two numbers and I have to multiply this number, then I should be add. Instead of that, I can take the common term and make it into regrouping on this. I can take common 625, take outside. In this term, left over is minus 35 plus this minus I am keeping for this, that is 60 minus 65, we can write it. Now sum of these two, minus 35 minus 65 is minus 100. So minus 100 multiplied by 625. We know we are learning the multiples with the 10, multiples with 100, multiples with 1,000, we have learned in 5th class. So here's the multiples of 100. Very simple. Write 625, then put it 20. That is become the product of minus 100 into that 625 is equal to minus 62,500. So therefore, the result is minus of 62500. This is the result. So we'll do one more question. There is a very interesting question here. Just I will read the very interesting question. That is, this all everyone will attempt the different multiple choice questions. Here is one. I am reading the question. In a test, the 5 marks are given for every correct answer. Now write on board what is the given data. I write one by one. The last question it is. So, in a test, the 5 marks are given for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are given for every incorrect answer. There are 2 people who have participated in this examination. One is Radhika. Radhika answered all the questions and scored 30 marks. So, how many? So, first information is given, that is marks given for 1 correct answer, 5 marks. Correct answer. The next is, then the marks given by 10 correct answers. So she done is 10 correct answers she got. Who that? Radhika. Second part is given, that is marks given for 10 correct. So correct answers. How much she got it? 5 into 10. That is, she got 50 marks. 50 marks. Then Radhika scored how many marks she got it? 30 marks she secured. So marks obtained for the incorrect answer. Obtained for incorrect answer. That is 30 marks, she got 50. That is equal to minus 20 marks. She got less marks, how many? Or negative marks gone minus 20. One incorrect answer. minus 2. Then number of incorrect answer is equal to minus 20 is divided by minus 2, that is equal to 10. So she done, the Radhika done 10 questions, she done a wrong questions. Next one more, what is that? Jaya is there. Jaya also is there. What is that given Jaya? Jaya also that answered all the questions and the score minus 12 marks through, that is the 4 correct answers. The how many incorrect answers had done, and both Radhika and Jaya. Now Radhika, she done 10 questions, she done it wrong. That what about the Jaya? Okay, we'll write it. It is, we have done, this is nothing but the Radhika. So we wrote here is the Radhika. Now we want to go for this Jaya. Now we'll write it. Just we'll write in place of the Jaya. So if it is 1 is correct, then how many? Then we'll go Jaya is correct. Only 4 questions she done correct. Okay, the 4 questions. The 5 into 4. And she got only 20. It is 20. The next, and also she got 4, 5 is 20. Jaya scored, how many marks she scored? Jaya, she got only minus 12 marks. So right. Then is marks obtained by the answer is 12 minus 20. Here is 12 minus, it is, you can write it minus 12 minus 20 is equal to minus 32. She lost so many marks, correct? But each is 2. Then 32 divided by minus 32. Minus 32 divided by minus 2. How much you will get it here is 16. So we write it, the Jaya 16 questions she made incorrect, and the Radhika, she made only 10 in question correct. She done incorrect. So who is done better? That Radhika done better than the Jaya. So this is, here I am closing and this topic today. The next we'll go one more is there, that tomorrow or next class we are going to complete this topic, entire topic. Thank you.